In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on your Facebook ads account. This is a simple process and I'll guide you through each step to ensure that you can do it smoothly on your own. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type in Facebook Ads Manager in your Google search bar. This will lead you to the page where you can manage all your advertising activities on Facebook. Once you see the link that directs you to the Facebook Ads Manager, go ahead and click on it. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details, your email and password into the respective fields. After you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button and you'll be directed straight into your Ads Manager dashboard. Once you're in the Facebook Ads Manager, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your campaigns. Look at the top menu bar and find Billing and Payments. It's crucial to manage your finances effectively when dealing with ads, and this section is specifically designed for that. Click on Billing and Payments, and you'll be taken to a page detailing your billing information and payment methods. From here, locate the Payment Settings option. Clicking on this will take you to another section that lets you adjust various settings related to your billing. As you scroll down the page, you will come across the Business Info section. Here you'll find some of your company details, including financial settings. Next to this section, there will be an Edit button. Click on it to start changing your currency settings. After you click Edit, you'll be presented with the currency and time zone fields. It is essential to ensure the accuracy of these settings, as they will determine how you're billed and the currency that appears on your invoices. Click on the Currency drop-down menu and carefully select the currency you would like to use for your Facebook ads. Keep in mind that choosing the correct currency is vital for financial transparency and to avoid any potential discrepancies in your ad billing. Once you've made your choice, double check to make sure it's set correctly. Finally, scroll to the bottom and hit the Save button. This will store your new settings and apply the changes to your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency for your Facebook ads. Remember that any changes in billing could reflect on your future ad payments, so it's good to double check all the information. Thanks for following along and happy advertising!